In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install and start using Scriptrunner for Jira. If you work with Jira at scale, you already know that the built-in automation tools are helpful for simple tasks, but they can become limiting when you need more advanced logic, deeper validation, or custom workflow behavior across teams and projects. That's where Scriptrunner comes in. It gives administrators and technical teams a much more flexible way to extend Jira using Groovy scripts and Jira's underlying APIs. To get started, open your preferred web browser and sign in to your Jira site using your organization's normal login process. After the Jira homepage loads, go to the top right corner, click the settings gear icon, and choose Apps. This takes you into the area where you can manage installed applications and add new ones. From there, use the search box to look for Scriptrunner. Find the official app published by Adaptivist, then begin the installation. Depending on your environment, this may take a few moments. Once the app has finished installing, look over to the left-hand navigation menu and select Scriptrunner. This opens the main Scriptrunner management area, where you'll handle scripting tools and configuration options. Inside Scriptrunner, you'll notice several sections such as Browse, Behaviors, Listeners, and Workflows. For quick testing and code experimentation, the most useful place to begin is the Script Console. Click Script Console in the top navigation. This opens a secure editor where you can write and run Groovy scripts directly inside Jira, which is especially useful for testing ideas without needing a separate local setup. Before running anything substantial, it helps to understand the core structure of a Scriptrunner script. Scriptrunner uses Groovy, which is a flexible language that works well with Jira's internal components. In many scripts, the first thing you do is import the Jira classes you need, then create references to the managers that let you interact with issue data and custom fields. In the console, enter a basic setup that imports component accessor, then creates an issue manager and a custom field manager. After that, include a log line confirming that the Scriptrunner environment has initialized successfully. This is a simple but important starting pattern because it verifies that your script can access Jira's internal services correctly. As a tip, always begin with small test scripts like this before moving into workflow validation or automation logic. It's the safest way to confirm your environment is working properly and to catch syntax issues early. Once this foundation is in place, you'll be ready to build more advanced Scriptrunner automations with confidence.